Hello my dudes, this is a real quick video looking at the OEM Rivian charger cable hook. Let's go head to the garage. So I have a NEMA 1450 plug, use the OEM Rivian charger, and this happens all the time. So I did something about it. This is the hook for the OEM Rivian charger. It installs in about 2 seconds, just like this. And then cords hang on it, just like this. It means I don't have to buy the wall charger from Rivian. I can use the one that comes with the truck. The cable hook for the OEM Rivian charger is available now at OpenSource EV for $9.95. Or you can download our OpenSource STL file and 3D print your own for little to no cost. That's it. Again, this is Rob from OpenSource EV. Thank you for taking a look at this video, and I'll see you again in the next one.